Yeah.
That way. Anyway, let's go fly.
Right.
Ring.
Follow this guy. Watch out for that one.
So we're in the next one over, so if you just follow follow Scott around there.
Who wants the window seat out of you? Probably you with the...
Yeah, not really.
You stretch that window over, it's going to get drunken.
Do you want to roll straight into another one with it?
Nice.
Alright, bit of a
Ako na.
little bit of a
Oh,
climb
sa
here,
side
but if
B.
you Pop up through here, and if you go through to the far side,
Oh my goodness. Yep.
Well, why was you going to go this way?
Na kasi mulupad yun, no? Ay, guro yung opportunity. Di naman.
See what the traffic says.
so do you want to try this?
Dre na guro na.
Oh, you know.
Traffic arms there.
I meant this
Oh, that.
let's go.
Paano na?
So you're not decisive, are you?
Alright, I'll take you to Gardens Fair. I've decided.
Just okay. Put it wherever you want. Lift on your lap. Put them on the floor. Put them up here. It's beautiful, isn't it?
Tingnan ko naman.
Are you gonna sing for us today? No. Oh no! So hopeful.
Hindi, bili na sa doon.
Pwede ko sa bulsa na pinutang.
Oh, see?
Ay, hindi mo eh.
Pwede na. Thank you, boss.
Thank
No
you. If you guys just get out slowly.
Yeah, I'll get out of the way and then you guys do your thing.
So if you decide on how to do it, yeah. I cannot walk photos of you. Okay. Photos for that.
Smile, Sabi.
How did you find out about the box? Is that goes away? Yeah. Because my friend suggested that you can just do helicopter wedding instead of the regular like elopement. Yeah. And
Can we have video?
Yeah.
Thank you.
You.
And here,
In here.
my idol. Yee! Mora ni yung makuyog dre.
Very fit, but when they mix it up.
And another one. Can we have a video, boss? Yee!
I actually love the little homemade videos from them. I think it's so cool.
Cecil, tin mo.
We're married.
Married me? Oh, married me. Ah, grabe view. Uy.
Forgot what it is.
Deliverance.
Deliverance.
Kami ritaw, Dre.
Huh?
Kita ritaw.
Yeah.
Tapos dala na helicopter.
Oo. Doon ka
Maybe there's the same
witness.
witness.
Isa ka man nagkasal. Pakita ang witness.
Witness
We
na
won't
makita
talk
ra.
about
Never actually seen
Um,
it though, but
Have you not?
And then,
We celebrate.
about it, but
dry pilot.
Well, that
And
seems
witness
a
as well.
classic for sure.
Yeah.
Gibalhin na ako ang engagement.
Bebe.
I don't know if that's what's recommended, but I love it. Ang bubbles kay bakay.
Pilots not watching their
I wanna do
cholesterols and sugar intakes and
That's why I brought
yeah,
the
I'm
healthy
not
snack.
watching
Oh, this is for you.
Thank
you. You're so welcome.
it, no doubt.
when you go to get that medical renewed and they'll say,
Honey, guys,
Yeah.
Ano mo? Okay.
control. Okay.
Rain it in. Yeah.
Well, you die before that becomes an issue, then it's
Hindi, wag yun lang. Tanggal ako. Hindi lang din ako patatirin.
Alright team, where you get, I'm just going to get this one out of the way. I'll just turn the flashy bit on. Blake Clark, that'll be a spot, so can you
I
see?
don't know if that would be warm enough for me.
That's a good spot, I like that.
That was beautiful, I agree.
Barko pilot.
Yeah. Like Isabel, maybe.
I've been swimming in Lake Wakatipu on a wedding before.
Have you?
Didn't do my cameras any good.
An unplanned swim, was it?
Actually?
Yeah, it is.
No way.
Cameras didn't last long after that.
Pardon?
One of the cameras didn't last long after that.
Oh no. Insurance claim?
Yeah, of course.